Hey everyone, so it is, what day is today? My eye is really watering. Allergies, like I said. Okay. I'm gonna turn that little fan off just because we already have one fan noise. We don't need two fan noises. I washed my brushes last night. As you can see back there, I have them drying, which a lot of them are already dry and I already put in my brush cups. I got this from TJ Maxx and it's a little smiley face. It's cute. I got all these little bucket ones from Target, the $1 section, and they're always $1 and they always have different holiday ones and they're always so cute. Like I have, I need to get out my Halloween one and put my main brushes in it, because what I have in here in my Halloween one right now, I have like hair brushes and stuff in it, because I remember now in February I put the little heart one up, but I need to switch these because this one's Halloween and it's Halloween time, and this one is hearts and stuff like that. Like I said, I have one to go with literally each season. Like I have one of those buckets. Like, I have to stop myself now from buying those buckets because I have like 6 or 7 now, and like, just so I don't need any more. Like, I have enough stuff in them and I just don't need more space for more stuff. And I have ones that are just like designed, like ones that have like little checkered print. A checkered print one over here, back there. See that has my eyeliners and stuff in it. And I just have like a bunch of these because I just love these little buckets. Make me so happy. I don't know why. It's just a little bucket, but I guess it's the little things that bring you joy, and it doesn't really matter. Because if they bring you joy, I guess keeping them is important. The reason I didn't vlog yesterday is because I probably say this all the time, because honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like, I probably at this time have like at least like 2 pretty bad anxiety days a week. Like on and off, because there have been weeks where I've just had one, or if I've had like none, which that hasn't happened in a long time. I've always at least have one bad anxiety day a week, or bad anxiety time during that day. It shouldn't be considered the whole day, because just because one bad thing happens in a day doesn't mean the whole day is bad. Try to remember that. But yeah, and I cleaned up my room a little bit. I know I can tell people are really liking the cleaning aspect of my last vlog, because it's getting like more thumbs up than normal and like more views faster. I love watching those cleaning videos. My favorite videos though to watch are like brush cleaning videos. I love brush cleaning videos. I love cleaning my brushes. Cleaning my brushes is not a chore to me. Like, I love it. It literally, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just does something very calming to me. Like, I love it. And I put away some clothes because I had a lot of like dirty laundry, and right now I have a lot of clean clothes. Yeah, but right now I have a lot of clean clothes. I have like some of these sweaters I'm trying to sell on my Poshmark, but I have like a couple. It's starting to get cold. I got this really cute shirt that has a mermaid on it, so that is a fave. But yeah, and we're doing like a big clean of my house soon. Like starting this week, we're gonna do like a huge clean of my house, which I don't know if you guys know, but I live with my grandma, so and my brother lives here, so we're gonna be cleaning the whole house and like getting everything cleaned up, doing like a huge clear out, doing like a big cleaning. So I'm kind of excited about that, because like I haven't done, well yeah, recently I did like a big clear out of my clothes, and I did like a huge getting rid of the stuff that I know I'm not going to touch. I was very cutthroat about it. I wasn't just keeping something because it has like sentimentalness, which it's clothes. Clothes don't really have a real meaning. I mean, an outfit that you wore on a certain day can have a meaning to you, but it's still all just items at the end of the day, and it's not more important than like my stress level being super high every time I open my closet, which is on a day, which sounds small, but like when you open your closet every day and it gives you that stress every day, it can build up and just be stressful. So like the little things in your life like are important to like keep stress free basically. But yeah, and I've done some declutters of my makeup and stuff. I wish I would have filmed it, but I didn't, because it was just like in the moment declutters. It wasn't like a planned thing. But yeah, and it'll be an exciting vlog next Friday because I'm going to the Pumpkin Fest, which Pumpkin Fest is like one of my favorite events of the fall. In my area, it's like a big deal. But I don't know if you guys have in your own states and in your own like city, like events that are like that to your town or to your like little area is like important and like a seasonal staple basically. But like for my city, which this isn't in my city, it's like 30 minutes away from my city, but it's still like everybody in my city goes, basically a lot of people. And same as like the Ohio State Fair and like stuff like that's a big thing in my city. The county fair that's by my house is a big deal in my area. Like stuff like that, like that's a summer thing, and then the pumpkin show is like a fall thing. And they also have like little pumpkin patches that are kind of a thing in my area for fall, but I haven't been to a pumpkin patch yet. But I've been talking for almost 10 minutes now, so I'm just going to quit talking now and start getting some stuff done. I think I have music playing or something because I feel like I can hear something. Yeah, I do have music playing. I forgot I had music playing. Hopefully it's not in the background and annoying sounding. I haven't really vlogged much today, but right now I'm eating dinner and I'm eating orange chicken with some rice, jasmine rice. I never show you guys what I eat. I don't know why. Like, it's not for any particular reason. It's just like, I've talked about this before, but I feel like you can't win on YouTube. Like, no matter what, if you're fat and you post any type of food at all, people are like up your butt in the comments. So I just choose not to show anything. But that turned out really good, so I wanted to show that. And I'm gonna wash my face in a little bit. I practiced doing like a spider makeup, but I did not show that on here, which I don't know why, but I didn't. I'm filming a video right now, and yeah, it's about 3 o'clock. Hey y'all, so I just got done filming that tutorial. I just took my makeup off. There's little specks of glitter everywhere because it was like a glittery pumpkin princess type look. I used the Clinique Take the Day Off balm, and that literally, if you have Halloween makeup to take off, get that because it really works. And now I'm all clean, and yeah. And if it looks like I have the same shirt on as yesterday, it's because I do. My eyebrows are growing in. I think I'm just going to keep letting them grow and then get them done eventually. Because I just want to, like, reshape them a little bit. So I'm going to keep letting them grow and then reshape them. My Boxycharm came in the mail. And it came packaged like this. The little thing. The theme this month is alter ego. The first thing that's in here is this Lace Appeal by Dermovia. Intense exfoliating face mask with compression lace support. And it's a peel. The It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which I already know I really like this. I already have like 2 mascaras on the go at the moment, which is the Marcel, I have the Marcel Volume, okay, I'm gonna unzoom. The Marcel Ultimate Volume Nano, which is this. It has like this tiny little wand. And this, which I'd say it's coming up to almost the time to open a new mascara, the Unlast Volume and Carl mascara by Wander Beauty. Which I got the Wander Beauty one in a Boxycharm, but the superhero one is a fave. Actually, recently I was thinking about repurchasing that. And then it comes with a Kat Von D liquid lipstick, which I don't support Kat Von D. Okay. I'll still use it. I would never buy her products on my own, probably, but I'll still use that. And then a Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. 3 blushes and a highlight. And 6 eyeshadows. Which these are really pretty. Here's the blushes. Blushes. I have eggs on my hand, ignore that. And here's the eyeshadows. And then the last thing is this Green Clean by Pharmacy. I'm gonna turn the flash off. Makeup cleansing balm, and it's 1.7 ounces. I think it's a full size, to be honest. And here is the lipstick. This is Kat Von D K-Dub, and it's like a violet-y type of color, which is really pretty. Though it does stain, which, I mean, I don't mind for lipstick. This for all those items.